How to make charitable donations at no extra cost with Amazon Smile. Hi, I'm Sándor Lau, and like many consumers around the world, I do a lot of purchasing from Amazon, wide variety of products delivered to your home. Many people don't know that you can actually make charitable contributions at no extra cost to you by using Amazon Smile. It's available at smile.amazon.com, and Amazon will donate 0.5% of your purchases to a registered charity of your choice in the United States that has to be a 501c3 federally recognized nonprofit organization. I'll show you how to do it here. So here is my Amazon, and right here you can see it's smile.amazon.com. When you go to smile.amazon.com, it even gives you a quick link to create a bookmark for Smile, so you can just save it in your favorite web browser with all your other links. And once you sign up for Smile and chosen an organization to donate to, then it will also often prompt you. If you just inadvertently type in Amazon.com to your web browser, it may prompt you to say, hey, do you actually want to go to Amazon Smile? So here is how to do it. You'll have to choose an organization to support, and I'm just right now I have it set to the Oregon-California Trails Association, of which I am a member. Look, I have charities as of August 2018 have received, it looks to me like $97 million from users of Amazon Smile at no cost to themselves, and I've personally generated a donation to my favorite charities of $105 without doing anything out of pocket myself. So it will prompt you with some widely known charities. I don't know if they are paying to get these things sponsored, but you can search for any charity of your choice easily. Let's just look for Oregon-California Trails Association that I'm already a member of, and sure enough, it'll tell you about it. If you want to do a little bit more, there we go. Here's a brief overview of what Oregon-California Trails Association, or OCTA, does. There are other organizations, and a really great way to do research. The reality is that the charitable giving world is kind of like a business. Other charities are competing for the same donations, and just because it's a charitable organization doesn't actually mean they manage their funds well. So I'm going to show you a website called GuideStar. I believe it's GuideStarorg, where you can do a lot of good research on registered nonprofits. You can actually, since nonprofits are benefiting from tax breaks to achieve their charitable mission, a lot of their financial information is available, and GuideStar will guide you through that. You can download their tax returns. You can look up how much of the funding they receive is used for administrative expenses and how much is used for the purpose of actually achieving their mission and delivering their services. One other thing I would like to add about charitable giving: a lot of people don't realize they have some kind of appreciated asset. The most common thing, let's say you have you own some stocks. Well, you bought them when the value of that stock was $1,000, but the stock has gone up to $2,000 now. So you have a gain on that stock of $1,000. You as an individual, if you were to sell that stock and then donate the cash to the nonprofit of your choice, then you would pay taxes on that gain and donate the rest. But any 501c3 registered in the United States does not pay taxes. It's a charitable nonprofit and tax-exempt organization. So you could donate that stock or real estate or any other asset to that organization. You can write off on your taxes the market value of what you donated, and then if the organization wants cash, they can then sell that for cash but not pay taxes on the gain that you made. Thank you very much.